In this question number 73, it has been given that in compound interest, if the amount is 9 times to its principal in 2 years, then the rate of interest is 300%, 200%, 150%, 100%. So now here amount, we know that in amount for compound interest is given by P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power of time. So now here the amount is 9 times the principal. Time is 2 years and the rate of interest is unknown, and this is what we need to find out. So that implies now A is equal to 9P. 9P is equal to P into 1 plus rate of interest is unknown and time is 2 years. So this gives that 1 plus R by 100 whole square is equal to 9, and but 9 is equal to 3 square. So we can write that 1 plus R by 100 is equal to 3, and that gives that R by 100 is equal to 2, and that gives us that R is equal to 200% per annum. So, and this is the option B. So option B over here is the correct option. Now we'll move forward to the next question. This is also a question on simple interest. Now in this question, which is question number 74, it has been said that in a simple interest a certain sum becomes rupees 97,920 in 3 years and 1,15,200 in 5 years. Then the rate of interest is 10%, 11.2%, 12% and 13.6%. So these are the options. So now we can say that amount after 3 years is equal to rupees 97,920, and amount after 5 years is equal to rupees 115,200. So therefore we can say that interest for 2 years is equal to rupees 115,200 minus 97,920, and this is equal to rupees 17,280. So the interest for 2 years is rupees 17,280. So this implies that interest for 1 year will be the half of this amount, which will be basically 17,280 by 2, which is nothing but rupees 8640. So since it is simple interest, we know that this is the interest throughout, which will be added every next year. Every year this interest rupees 8640 will be added. So the interest for 1 year is basically 8640. So therefore interest for 3 years will be rupees thrice of this amount, 8640 into 3, and this will be equal to rupees 25,920. So now we have already seen that the amount after 3 years is 95,920. So basically the initial amount plus the interest for 3 years 25,920 gave us this amount. So therefore initial principal is equal to rupees, amount after 3 years is 97,920 minus the interest for 3 years, which is 25,920. So this is the interest that we are getting after 3 years. So that gives us that we will have rupees, this minus this will give us 72,000, and this 72,000 is the initial principal. This is the principal. So therefore we have the rate of we have the interest amount for 1 year, and we also have the initial principal. So therefore rate of interest will be equal to the initial the interest for 1 year, which is 8640, divided by the initial principal, which is 72,000, into 100%. And this is ultimately giving us 12%, which is the option C. Option C over here is the correct option. We will be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, thank you very much for watching this video.